with you guys, man, is that y'all be at school so long, you get sick of being in school. Yes? So when you're out of school, you don't want to read nothing. You don't want to look up nothing.
No,
Exactly.
I do sometimes.
Exactly. You're kind of burnt out. So you got to find the energy to do something that you're interested in. This is We at Walton. This is my first time being back. I got a gang of eager little guys ready to jump ahead and be designers, which is beautiful. So I'm gonna show y'all some of them I'm gonna talk to. Alright, so my name is Mr. Collins, okay? I'm here on Mondays, you wasn't here. I'm here on Mondays from 3 to 5. These computers behind me, these is iMacs. On these iMacs I have something called Adobe Creative Suite. So I show you how to do graphic design. Basically, graphic design is communicating a message visually. What's beautiful about this is what I'm telling you guys is that it's not like this other stuff. You can make money now. The thing is that you guys think that you need to be grown to make money. If you could design right now, you can set up an online presence of yourself as a designer and make some money now. If you guys are on the social networks is for promoting and marketing yourself. Okay? So you present yourself as, you're working with Mr. Collins, you're showing the stuff that you're doing and putting that stuff out. I have designers, I have illustrators come in and talk to you guys. We go on field trips based around this interest in this field, okay? So a lot of stuff that I've been doing this stuff for a long time, and I've built a lot of relationships and I work with a lot of youth and really giving you guys the power. It's all about imagination. So if you have an imagination, we want to pull from that imagination as much as possible. Make whatever thoughts or concepts you have, make them come to life. Simple as possible. And really to get you guys to think like a company, to think like a business now. Not wasting time. Really using your time to be really effective and really be smart. Using your imagination, focusing your goals on stuff, and really being able to just say, look, you can send a message to somebody at Puma right now if you got the concepts. If you want to be a designer, shoe designer, you should be working on it now. Like the stuff I'm teaching you, you could teach somebody. So that's it real quick. I said I wasn't going to be doing no vlogging too. Yo! The main thing that I wanted to come across today was I just wanted these guys to think about their imagination and how limitless that is, and to use that imagination to create something using Photoshop. That's just it in a nutshell. We have no limit on our imagination. We can create anything. It's just understanding the tools, how the tools work. It's sky's the limit. I need somebody, one of them young people in there, to design something, create something that hasn't been created yet. If we don't work on our imagination, we're never going to know what that is. Like I said before, limitless. So, signing off. This your boy. I'm going to another location. I don't know if I'm going to record that location or not. Anyway, peace.